Right now, somewhere in the world, someone just ate a bowl of oats, and inside their body, a chain reaction is about to begin that most people never think about. We're going inside the human body, through the stomach, into the bloodstream, all the way to the brain. You're going to watch exactly what oats do once they disappear inside you. Some of it will surprise you, so stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at your morning bowl the same way again. This is Digest 3D, and today, we're following one simple food on its full journey through the human body: oats. Not a trend, not a supplement, just a humble grain that's been part of the human diet for thousands of years. But what actually happens after that first spoonful hits your mouth? Let's go step by step, exactly how your body breaks oats down, absorbs them, and turns them into energy, focus, and fuel. It starts the second oats touch your tongue. As you chew, your saliva releases an enzyme called amylase, and it goes to work immediately, breaking the starches inside the oats into smaller sugar chains. Digestion doesn't wait for your stomach. It begins right here, in your mouth. Once you swallow, the softened oats travel down your esophagus in just a few seconds, pushed along by smooth, wave-like muscle contractions called peristalsis. It's not gravity doing the work. It's your own muscles, squeezing in rhythm to move food exactly where it needs to go. And then, the oats arrive at the stomach. The door closes behind them. Now, the real transformation begins. Inside your stomach, oats meet a powerful mix of acid and digestive enzymes. Strong muscular walls churn and contract, physically grinding the oats into a soft, semi-liquid mixture called chyme. But here's something most people don't know. Oats contain a special type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. The moment it mixes with liquid, beta-glucan transforms into a thick, gel-like substance right there inside your stomach. That gel does something remarkable. It slows down how quickly your stomach empties, which means the oats you just ate won't digest all at once. They'll release their energy slowly, over time. This single fiber is one of the biggest reasons oats behave so differently from a lot of other carbohydrate foods. It's not just what oats contain, it's how oats behave once they're inside you. After roughly 1 to 2 hours, your stomach gradually releases this thickened mixture, a little at a time, into the small intestine. That's where nutrient extraction really begins. The small intestine is where digestion gets serious. Pancreatic enzymes flood in and finish breaking down the remaining starches into simple sugar molecules your body can actually use. Meanwhile, that beta-glucan gel is still at work, coating the intestinal wall and slowing how fast sugar enters your bloodstream. Lining the walls of your small intestine are millions of tiny, finger-like structures called villi. If you stretch them flat, they'd cover an area roughly the size of a tennis court, all packed inside you. Their job is absorption. As the digested oats pass by, nutrients begin crossing through the villi into a dense network of tiny blood vessels underneath. Glucose, for energy. Plant-based protein, for tissue and muscle repair. Magnesium, iron, zinc, and B vitamins, for hundreds of processes happening in your body right now. And a unique group of antioxidant compounds found almost exclusively in oats, called avenanthramides, known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Sugar, protein, minerals, antioxidants. All of it is now crossing from your gut directly into your bloodstream. Once inside the bloodstream, these nutrients travel first through the liver, then out to the rest of the body. Let's follow where they go. First, the heart. That beta-glucan fiber binds to bile acids inside your intestine. To replace them, your liver pulls cholesterol straight out of your bloodstream to make more. Over time, this process is linked to lower LDL cholesterol, the kind associated with heart disease risk. This isn't a myth or a marketing claim. It's one of the most well-studied benefits of oats, recognized by major health organizations around the world. Next, the brain. Your brain runs almost entirely on glucose, and because oats release sugar slowly and steadily, your brain receives a stable stream of fuel instead of a sudden spike followed by a crash. That steady supply is often linked to better focus and fewer energy dips through the morning. Then, the muscles. Plant-based protein combined with a slow, steady glucose supply gives your muscles raw material for both energy and repair, especially useful after physical activity. And finally, the gut itself. Not all the fiber from oats gets absorbed. Some of it travels all the way down to the colon, where trillions of gut bacteria ferment it and produce compounds that directly nourish the cells lining your intestine, supporting a healthier gut microbiome from the inside out. One bowl, 4 different systems in your body, all responding at once. But oats aren't perfect for everyone, and it's worth understanding that too. First, gas and bloating. If your body isn't used to a high-fiber diet and you suddenly eat a large bowl of oats, that fiber can ferment in your gut and cause temporary bloating or discomfort. The fix is simple. Increase fiber gradually and drink plenty of water. Second, allergic or sensitivity reactions. A true oat allergy is rare, but it does exist. More commonly, the real issue is cross-contact. Oats are often grown and processed near wheat, barley, and rye, so people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity need to look specifically for oats labeled certified gluten-free. Third, blood sugar. Not all oats behave the same way. Plain rolled or steel-cut oats digest slowly and steadily. But instant flavored oats, loaded with added sugar, can spike your blood sugar much faster, working directly against the benefit oats are known for. Fourth, mineral absorption. Oats contain a natural compound called phytic acid, which can slightly reduce how well your body absorbs certain minerals like iron and zinc. This usually isn't a concern in a varied, balanced diet, and simply soaking or cooking your oats reduces phytic acid even further. And finally, that heavy, sleepy feeling after a big bowl. This isn't unique to oats. It happens after any large meal, as your body redirects blood flow toward digestion. But it's worth knowing that portion size matters, even with a food this healthy. So what's the final verdict? For most people, oats are one of the most well-researched, heart-supporting, gut-friendly foods you can eat. Slow-releasing energy, steadier blood sugar, a healthier gut, a little extra support for your heart and your brain, all from one simple bowl. The key, like with most foods, is moderation, quality, and knowing your own body. Now I want to hear from you. Did anything in this video surprise you? Drop a comment and tell me exactly which part shocked you the most. I read every single one. If this journey through your body opened your eyes, hit subscribe, because next time we're going inside the body again to reveal what a completely different food does once it hits your bloodstream. You won't want to miss it.